Right now, your life may feel completely out of control. You wake up tired, your goals feel distant, your confidence is fading. Every day looks the same. You keep telling yourself you'll change, tomorrow, next Monday, next month. But nothing happens, because wishing for a better life has never changed anyone. Action does. Here's the truth. You don't need 10 years to become a different person. You need one decision, then another, then another. 90 days. That's enough time to completely change the direction of your life. Not because it's magic, because consistency changes everything. The first 30 days are about breaking the old version of yourself. Wake up earlier, make your bed, drink water, exercise every morning. Stop touching your phone before you've earned the day. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Good. That means you're changing. Your old habits will fight back. Your mind will beg for comfort. Ignore it. The second 30 days are about building discipline. Stop chasing motivation. Create routines. Do the hard task first. Read every day. Train your body even when you're tired. Keep promises to yourself. Every promise you keep builds confidence. Every excuse you make destroys it. During this stage, you'll notice something. You think more clearly. You have more energy. People begin treating you differently. Not because you changed overnight, because your actions changed first. The final 30 days are about becoming the new version of yourself. You no longer ask whether you feel motivated. You simply act. Discipline becomes automatic. You stop wasting time proving yourself to other people. Instead, you prove yourself to yourself. That's where real confidence comes from. Not compliments, not social media, not luck. From keeping your word. Some days will still be difficult. You'll feel tired. You'll want to quit. That's normal. The difference is you don't stop anymore, because you've already become someone who finishes what he starts. Think about where you'll be 90 days from now. You can stay exactly where you are, still making excuses, still waiting, still hoping. Or you can become stronger, more focused, more disciplined, more confident. The choice is yours. 90 days will pass whether you change or not, so don't count the days. Make the days count. Start today. Your future self is waiting. Don't make him wait any longer.